Boomers love Airstreams. Yes, I know. I'm a boomer and I'm feeling very nostalgic. I'm in my Airstream office. Airstreams are one of the ways that you can travel, you can work in your motorhome. This is a fully equipped motorhome. You can see behind me, it's got showers, bathrooms, refrigerator, freezer, all that sort of thing. And I bought it new 40 years ago. These are the kind of RVs you can afford to finance and keep a long time because Airstreams last a long time. You can get maybe $200,000 worth of family vacations and keeping it for 10 or 20 years and drag your family around the country like I did. You could buy cheap motorhomes and you can buy them and sell them. Or if you're like Warren Buffett, buy the best, buy it one time, keep it forever. If you're a family person and you add up the cost of a family vacation for 4 over a 10 or 20 year period, you buy a beautiful motorhome that's fully equipped to go anywhere and you will save thousands of dollars. Boomers are right. Airstreams are a good buy. And I'll see you next time on Smart Financial.